welcome back to my kitchen. Yes, as you guys can see, I'm just making a healthy snack. As you guys can see, I got some fresh tomatoes. Yes. So all I'm gonna do is just cut up some tomatoes, mix it with some olive oil, some red onions, and some other ingredients. I like to mix in it just to have for a snack. I usually do cucumbers. I have cucumbers also in there, but today I'm just gonna do tomatoes. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. And also, if you guys, if you don't want to use your own ingredients, they have this, it's an Italian dressing by Zesty. It's also pretty good too. I might add a little bit of that. I might add a little bit. Yeah. So this one is also pretty good. Any dressing really. I usually like the vinaigrette, but since I got my own ingredients, you don't want to put too much. You don't want to put too much. Olive oil, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, y'all, sorry about that. I had to pause it. See, by this already having enough oil in it and vinegar, you don't need much. You don't need much. Yeah, it's already as thick as it is too. I like a lot. So. I like to drown it. I love to drown it. But yeah, so far so good. Let's see how it tastes. I know it's gonna taste good. It wasn't nothing really major done. Yep. Just something basic, y'all. If you just want a healthy snack. I would have added some fruit, but because I got the vinaigrette and stuff in it, it won't taste good. But yeah. It's pretty good. But you guys be blessed.